Yes, you can see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Then electric dipole, a pair of equal and opposite point charges separated by a small vector distance 2a is called electric dipole. The vector 2a is drawn from negative charge to the positive charge. Clear? Then electric dipole moment. It is the measurement of the strength of electric dipole. It is a vector quantity and its magnitude is given by the product of either of the charge multiplied by the distance between the charged particles, and direction of this dipole from negative charge to positive charge. One definition, that is ideal dipole. If the charge q gets larger and larger and the distance 2a gets smaller and smaller, keeping the product P is equal to Q into 2a constant, we called it ideal dipole. Clear? Any doubt? Yes, students.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then electric field intensity at an axial point of a dipole. Let AB is an electric dipole of length 2a and P is the axial point at a distance r from the center of the dipole at which electric field intensity is to be calculated. Then E1 is the electric field intensity at P due to minus Q charge, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon AP square or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R plus A whole square along PA, because here this is we consider that a test charge or positive charge particle is placed and this is negative, then there is a attraction that is towards P to A. Similarly, the electric field intensity at the point P due to plus Q charge, here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon Bp square or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R minus A square. This is along BP region. This is positive, here is positive and there is a repulsive force. Then direction is BP. Now the resultant intensity at this point P, this is E2, this is E1, both are in opposite direction, therefore E2 minus E1, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 cube common, and this distance 1 upon R minus A square minus 1 upon R plus A square, and after solving we get E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P 2R upon R square minus A square. If R is very small with compared to A, then the expression is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2P upon R cube. Clear? Hello students, you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then,
sir.
then second part, electric field intensity at an equatorial line of dipole. Let AB is an electric dipole. P is the equatorial point at which electric field intensity is to be calculate it. Then electric field intensity at the point P due to plus Q charge. This is plus Q charge. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon AP square, and AP is equal to A square. Here this is A and this is R. So A square plus R square. This is the distance, and according to the Pythagoras theorem, this length is under root A square plus R square, and R square is R square plus A square. Direction, this is positive, then direction towards P to C. Clear? Then same way, the electric field intensity due to minus Q charge, the numerical value is same, but the direction is opposite because this charge is negative. So this attract towards P, means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon BP square, or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square plus A square along BP. And if we resolve these two forces, these two electric field intensities, this is E, then this is E1 cos sin theta, and this side E1 cos theta, and here E2 cos theta, and this side E2 sin theta. Then sin theta component will cancel out, and the net electric field intensity is given by the summation of cos components, these two components. Then the net electric field intensity E, as we know that the numerical value of E1 and E2 is same, therefore this electric field intensity is written as 2E cos theta, or 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon A square R square plus A square, and cos theta A upon R square plus A square. And after solving, we get this value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2. Switch off your speaker. If R is very greater than A, then E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P upon R cube. This is electric field intensity at an equatorial point. Then the torque experienced by माइक्रोफोन अपना ऑफ करो. Torque experienced by an electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. AB is the electric dipole placed in the uniform electric field E, making an angle theta with the field. Then the force on plus Q charge due to the electric field. This is QE in the direction of field. The electric field in the direction of field, and force on minus Q charge. This is again QE in the opposite direction of field. Then when two forces are equal and opposite and acting in different line of action, so they form the couple, then the torque is either of the force multiplied by arm of the couple, that is F multiplied by AC, and F into AB sin theta, or F into 2A sin theta. This perpendicular distance is 2A sin theta. This is QE 2A sin theta. Torque is equal to P sin theta, and in vector form it can be written as torque is equal to P cross E. Clear? Then potential energy of dipole in uniform electric field.
सर डायरेक्शन ऑफ टॉर्क कैसे निकालेंगे उसमें?
डायरेक्शन ऑफ टॉर्क परपेंडिकुलर है उस प्लेन के जिस प्लेन में P और E लाई कर रहे हैं, मींस परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन कंटेनिंग द डाइपोल मोमेंट एंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी. क्लियर?
ओके सर.
Then potential energy of dipole in uniform electric field means एक डाइपोल ये रखा हुआ है, इसको इसकी पोजीशन से स्मॉल एंगल डी थीटा रोटेट कर देते हैं, तो कितना वर्क डन होगा. तो सपोज एन इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल हैविंग द डाइपोल मोमेंट P is oriented at an angle theta with the direction of uniform electric field E, then the torque acting on the dipole is PE sin theta. Let the dipole is rotated through an angle d theta. The small amount of work done in rotating the dipole through an small angle d theta against the torque is dW is equal to tau d theta. dW is equal to PE sin theta d theta, and the total work done in rotating the dipole from orientation theta 1 to theta 2, W is equal to theta 1 to theta 2 PE sin theta d theta. Then integrating PE constant है, बाहर आ जाएगा, and sin theta d theta that is minus cos theta limit theta 1 to theta 2, and W is equal to minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Suppose the dipole is initially at right angle to E, then theta 1 is equal to 90, and we have to set an angle theta with E, then theta 2 is equal to 0, theta 2 is equal to theta, and W is equal to minus PE cos theta minus cos 90, or W is equal to minus PE cos theta. This work done is stored in the dipole in the form of energy that is called potential energy. Therefore, the potential energy is minus P cos theta, and in vector form it can be written as U is equal to minus P dot E. Any doubt? Yes, student. Any doubt?
No sir.
इसके ऊपर वीडियो पड़ा हुआ है, वीडियो चेक कर लेना, वीडियो देख लेना, YouTube पे पड़ा हुआ है, क्लासरूम पे भी मैंने लिंक शेयर कर रखी है. ठीक है, अब इसी टॉपिक के ऊपर कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स लेते हैं. ठीक है, प्रिपेयर विद योर पेन एंड पैड फॉर राइटिंग. क्लियर? दिस इज योर ये इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल का क्वेश्चन है, एनसीईआरटी का सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल है. दिख रहा है क्वेश्चन? यस स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है? देखो क्वेश्चन समझ आ गया। ए पॉइंट पे -10 माइक्रो कूलम का चार्ज रखा है, बी पॉइंट पे +10 माइक्रो कूलम का चार्ज रखा है, और एक पॉइंट है क्यू पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी निकालनी है और पी पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी निकालनी है। ठीक है, इसे सॉल्व करेंगे बाय यूजिंग डाइपोल मेथड, वरना तो वैसे भी निकाल सकते हैं कि क्यू चार्ज यहाँ है, यहाँ से कितना फोर्स लगेगा, यहाँ लगेगा, लेकिन डायरेक्ट जो डाइपोल के फॉर्मूले हैं उन्हें यूज करके सॉल्व करेंगे। देखो Q = दिया हुआ है आपको ±10 माइक्रो कूलम, ये वैल्यू हो गई आपकी 10 to the power -5 कूलम, 10 to the power -6 और 10 दोनों मिलके 10 to the power 5। देन 2A आपको दिया हुआ है 5 mm, ये वैल्यू हो गई आपकी 5 × 10 to the power -3 मीटर, एंड R = 15 centimeter, this is 15 × 10 to the power -2 meter। Clear? Then first calculate P, dipole moment। Dipole moment either of the charge multiplied by perpendicular 2A, either of the charge, and Q into 2A लिखते हैं, तो 2A = 5 × 10 to the power -3 meter, और this is coulomb, and P = 5 × 10 to the power -8 coulomb meter। Clear? फर्स्ट पॉइंट या ए पॉइंट, द पॉइंट P lies at the axis, तो एक्सियल पॉइंट के लिए फॉर्मूला है E1 = 1/4 pi epsilon 0 2P upon R cube, direct region 2A very small with compared to the R, or this value can be written as 9 × 10 to the power 9 × 2 × P 5 × 10 to the power -8 upon R cube। R is 15 × 10 to the power -2 meter whole square। Clear? After solving you get this value is 2.67 × 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb। Direction along BP। Clear? Then B part E2, this is at the point Q, 1/4 pi epsilon 0 P upon R cube, or this is E1/2। Clear? और this value is 2.67 10 to the power 5 upon 2 Newton per coulomb, and direction is along B to A. Clear? Any doubt? And after solving you get this value is 1.33 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. Clear? Yes, student.
सर हमने ये
Yes, sir.
सर हमने ये पी कैसे निकाला?
पी कैसे? पी जो आपने अभी डेरिवेशन पढ़ा था, उस डेरिवेशन में आपने पढ़ा था कि इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल मोमेंट होता है Q इंटू 2A.
यस सर.
2A क्या है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द चार्ज पार्टिकल.
यस सर 2L मतलब हाँ.
ठीक है.
यस सर.
तो डायरेक्ट 2A ये जो वैल्यू है ये 2A ये जो 2A है ये आपको गिवन है ना डायरेक्ट. ये वैल्यू ये दी हुई है 5 mm जो है ये वाली वैल्यू.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है.
हाँ सर.
समझ आ गया?
जी सर.
कोई डाउट?
सर पर हमने ये पी के आगे 10 की पावर -5 क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया है?
10 टू दी पावर 5 क्यों किया है? हमने कूलैम्प
Yes,
को चेंज किया ना. माइक्रो कूलैम्प में था तो सारी वैल्यू कूलैम्प में रख दी है. 10 माइक्रो कूलैम्प इज इक्वल टू 10 टू दी पावर -5 कूलैम्प. देखो.
यस सर.
Q is equal to 10 माइक्रो कूलैम्प. This value is 10 into 10 to the power -6 coulomb. This is 10 to the power -5 coulomb. Clear?
हाँ सर.
समझ आ गया?
यस सर.
ठीक. Then next question. This is again from NCERT. सॉल्व करो. दिस इज टॉर्क बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. देखो इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू आर गिवन P equal to 4 into 10 to the power -9 coulomb meter. This is given. And angle theta is equal to 30 degree. And E is equal to electric field intensity is given by 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per coulomb. Then calculate the torque. We know that torque is equal to TE sin theta. अभी डेरिवेशन किया था. And P is equal to 4 into 10 to the power -9. E is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 4 and sin 30 और 4 into 5 into 10 to the power -5 and sin 30 1/2. 2 से ये 4 2 बार कैंसिल हो गया. दैट इज 10 into 10 to the power -5 और 10 to the power -4 Newton meter. This is the required answer. Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
ठीक है, कितने स्टूडेंट हैं अभी, या न्यूमेरिकल के नाम पे भाग जाते हैं सारे? दैट इज 39. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज स्लाइड टिपिकल क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व इट. This is CBSE. This question is CBSE 2014 compartment. देखो, दिस इज इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. साइड A, B and C, and here plus 6 Q charge is placed, and here minus 8 Q charge is placed, and as the triangle is equilateral, this distance is A, this distance also A, and this A. Then you have to calculate the electric field intensity at the point A. अब देखो, यहां पे डाइपोल नहीं लगेगा, रीजन दोनों चार्ज इक्वल नहीं है, इसलिए आपको इसे अलग तरीके से सॉल्व करना होगा. ठीक है, सॉल्व करो. कैन यू सॉल्व इट? देखो, E B A is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 6Q upon A square. A पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी क्या होगी? 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon A. लेकिन B पॉइंट पे जो चार्ज रखा है वो कितना है? 6Q. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ये हो गई. और if or we can x is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon A square. दिस इज C. हमने मान लिया कि ये x के बराबर है, तो ये वैल्यू किसके बराबर हो गई? E B A is equal to 6x. This is equation 1 and the direction is this is E B A. Clear? Then electric field intensity at the point A due to minus q charge. This is E AC is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 8q upon a square, but this value is x. So this is 8x. This is equation 2 and direction this is EAC. Then this angle is 120 and complete the parallelogram, and this is the this is resultant E. This angle 120 and this angle is beta. Then E is equal to under root E BA square plus EAC square plus 2 EBA EAC cos 120, and this value is 6x square plus 8x square plus 2 6x 8x and cos 120 minus 1 upon 2, and this value is x into under root 52. Clear? Then electric field intensity E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon a square into under root 52. This is electric field intensity. Then angle tan beta is equal to E BA sin 120 upon EAC plus EBA cos 120, or this value is 6x and sine under root 3 by 2 अपॉन 8x प्लस 6x और -1/2 and this value is 3√3/5 और बीटा इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 3√3/5 और एप्रोक्स 46.1 डिग्री। क्लियर? समझ आता है? यस स्टूडेंट्स, समझ आता है?
Yes, sir.